Go.
As we enter autonomous, 1833 Team Bean goes ahead and enter our autonomous section with a plethora of fuel being deposited up into the hub. Over on the blue lines, we're going to have some shots being fired by those human players, as well as the 4509 Mechanical Bulls. Team Bean now returning to their Red Alliance zone, depositing 10 more fuels successfully into their hub. As we enter Taliop, the Red Alliance does take a small lead of 35 points to the Blue Alliance's 19. That does mean that the Red Hub will be deactivated in our first Alliance zone shift. 8761, the Tiger Bite, now currently stuck up on the hub temporarily as they make contact with the Dawson Dinos. 1833 Team Bean with another full hopper shoots it over to their Red Alliance zone, prepare for their next hub activation period. With just under 2 minutes left to go, the Blue Lions tries to see if they can take the lead. Currently are at the Red Alliance at 35, the Blue Lions 34. 90-86, the Wildcat Robotics makes their way underneath the trench as 1833 Team Bean goes ahead and deposits 50 fuel successfully into the hub. 4509 Mechanical Bulls tries to play some defense temporarily against Team Bean, but they go ahead and just score another 45 points for the Alliance. Also giving their human players some fuel to start throwing during this while they are reloading and repositioning themselves. With some more fuel being shot up in the air at the end of that Red Hub activation period. We are currently sitting at 134 to the Blue Alliance's 50 points with half the time still remaining. 95-61, the Dawson Dinos trying to see if they can slide some of that fuel underneath the trench for their Alliance partners to shoot up later in the match. Over on the Blue Lines, we're going to see some fuel being shot up into the air by 1414 iHot. That's the close of Alliance shift number 4. 1833 Team Bean getting a couple more fuel scored successfully up into the hub, while also delivering some to those human players in the outpost as they reposition themselves up near our depot. They decide to change their mind and line themselves up in front of that ladder. They start launching it up into the air one after another, scoring 1 point for each one that enters that cylindrical entrance at the top successfully. That sound does mean we are once again in endgame. The Red Alliance prepares to cross the 200-point threshold with the Blue Lions creeping up on 100. If the Blue Lions can score 25 more fuel successfully, they will get that energized ranking points. 1833 Team Bean collecting some more fuel once again as they make their way back over to their Alliance zone. The Blue Lions just 15 fuel away from that energized ranking point. 8761 Tiger Bite getting some more fuel up as Team Bean enters their hopper for one final time today. We'll get back to you those final match scores momentarily. And the scores are in. The winner of that match is the Red Alliance with a final match score of 257 to the Blue Alliance's 94. The Red Alliance is walking away with 4 ranking points from that match.